let's have some fun. Meet the animals one by one. Here's a cow, it says moo moo moo, and a little piggy, oink oink too. The sheep goes baa, the hen goes cluck, the horse says neigh, and the duck goes quack. The dog says woof, the cat says meow. Let's sing together right now. Moo 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 and oink oink oink. Let's learn the sounds point by point. Cluck 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 and ba ba ba. For animals near and far. On the farm there's so much to see. Animals living happily. Let's sing their sounds loud and clear. Farm animals we love to hear.